Russia has offered to increase crude oil and natural gas supplies to India amid ongoing disruptions in the global energy market due to the West Asia crisis. The proposal was conveyed during high-level meetings between Russia's first Deputy Prime Minister, Denis Manturov, and Indian leaders, including External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. Manturov also met Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. According to officials, Russia indicated that its companies have the capacity to steadily scale up oil and liquefied natural gas supplies to India, as volatility continues due to disruptions around the Strait of Hormuz. Energy cooperation remained a central focus during the India-Russia Intergovernmental Commission meeting, where both sides discussed expanding trade, investment, and industrial ties. Russia also highlighted a significant increase in fertilizer exports to India and expressed readiness to meet future demand. The discussions also covered collaboration in sectors such as technology, connectivity, and civil nuclear energy, along with the review of progress under the bilateral roadmap aimed at boosting trade to $100 billion by 2030. Both sides also exchanged views on regional and global developments, including the evolving situation in West Asia.